What would be some of the first practical steps? So if someone comes to you when they first connect to you and they realize that this is an area of their lives that they need to focus on, better time management, better productivity, what is some of the first things that you would give them as like baby steps to get started with doing better in those areas?
The first thing I do is disappoint them because there's no shopping involved. Usually they want to know what's the best calendar I should purchase or what's the best task app I should download. And what we actually do is just start with something simple like, what is your why? A lot of people don't pause. And some people might feel that is an overused question. What is your why? What is your why? But it's really important to understand, if you don't like the term, what is your why, then what is your mission? What are your priorities in life? So the first step is deciding what are your top 3 to 5 personal priorities? What are your top 3 to 5 professional priorities? Because when you understand who and what it is you are living for, you make better decisions about your time. Then step number 2 will be create targets for those top 3 to 5 priorities. And I'll give you an example. Some of my clients, my female clients, will say, oh, one of my goals is to be a better mom. That's fantastic, but what does that mean? What does that look like? And they might say something like, well, I really should spend more time with my children. So my next question to them is, well, how much time are you spending with them right now? And they can't give me an answer. Wow. Then I ask, how much time do you think you should be spending with them? And they can't give an answer. So then the question becomes, if you don't understand what that target is, how do you know how far or how close you are to it? You might be beating yourself up over nothing because you haven't identified your target. So step 1 is you need to decide on your whys. And then step number 2 is identify targets for each one of those whys.
Wow.